Hi there, everyone. I hope everybody made it safe through Hurricane Debby. When it passed by Sarasota, it was a tropical storm. Did a lot of flooding. We had probably a foot of rain or more. This is the Marina where we keep our boat. Water got inside. Luckily, nothing's too badly damaged. The Marina crew is going to have a lot of cleanup to do over the next day or two. Feel bad for you guys. I'm glad everybody is safe that I've talked to. I hope you're safe out there also. Hopefully we can get back on the water soon, get you guys some more videos.